Milo's a monkey bird. What's the monkey say? What's the monkey say? Milo's a monkey bird. Good boy. Yay! Woohoo! Yay! You're such a monkey bird. You've been working on your monkey sound. You're doing it very well, too. Milo's a monkey bird. Woo! Yay! What else you got?
Cool.
Cool. You're a very cool bird. Cool. You still a monkey? How about a kitty cat? You got any kitty cat or doggy in you? What does a dog say? No, that's a monkey. What's a dog say? You're a silly bird. Excuse.
Cool.
Cool. Ooh, big kiss.
Come here.
Come here. You calling the kitty cat?
Kaya.
Kaya. What's the kitty cat say? Oh, that was Drew. You calling Drew? Are you a dog? Do you see a dog or a kitty cat? What's kitty cat say? Hello? Wave, say hello. Kiss. You're all kissy.
Cool.
Cool. What are you doing, little bird? You're a monkey. You know, it's almost your birthday. It's almost your birthday, but I forgot how old you are. Cool. You're going to be like 18. Something like that. You're either 17 or 18. I think you're 18. Cool. Actually, 1994. You were born in 1994, so that makes you 16. Say happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Milo. Happy birthday to you. Kiss. Cool. Milo's a pretty bird.
Come here.